Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NUGT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And first thing, before anything else, going to do some house cleaning, just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So late day today, price got the break back up above this area right here around $11.30. And at this point, it's a more than valid question to say, all right, yeah, the price got the breakout, but is this the start of something bigger? Well, I have no idea, but by using that very level can help us answer that, assuming we can agree on the logic that, well, if this is the start of something bigger, well, then the price is going to keep on getting bigger. Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward, right? It's not going to go back to where it was. So think about that. If the price were to come down here to that green line and then fall down below it, does that mean the entire chart's destroyed? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that as far as the breakout action that just happened today, well, apparently there wasn't any sort of true power behind it because now all of a sudden the price would be right back to where it was. However, on the flip side of things, if the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. You envision those as stair steps. And hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. So that $11.30 mark, it will be very helpful going forward. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, next key level right up here around 11.85, which is the value of that red line there. So keep a close eye on that going forward. But all in all, things are looking shaky, but late day today, a very nice recovery. So much so that, like I said, you got the breakout. Not just the question of can the price continue to build upon this momentum. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.